Hello, Paul here, Rocket Boiling Cook, Rocket Turn 1. Just down at the local golf course and gonna collect a few sticks for the cooker for burning. So I'll just show you on a video clip and see what I do. So plenty of sticks here, so all you need is some tiny small sticks. Plenty of them under these gum trees, so you don't need to go and cut anything down. So what I do is go and collect all these little branches that have fallen off the trees and break them up, and that's what I use. So there's plenty through here, it's just a matter of going through and picking them all up. Loads on the ground here. Right, I'll come back to you later in the video. Well, that only took me about 10 minutes to collect. You can see there's loads around here, so you don't need big sticks, only just small bush sticks. The best for the cooker. They burn more efficiently and get more heat out of it.